when to email and when not to. So this topic is about when you have to email and when you not have to. You can see these points which I have written: giving feedbacks, delivering a difficult message, discussing complex issues, debating or negotiating, talking about personal stuffs, and apologizing. Okay, so these are the points which I have written for you. You have to understand that giving feedbacks, while giving feedbacks, you have to like think about before writing email. If you are giving feedback for any person, for any employee in the company, you need to think what you have to write and what you have not to write. Okay, delivering a difficult message. If suppose you are doing email and it's a very complicated or like situation going in the office, or suppose you have to write something very critical, like things which are going into your business, so you must have to like think before doing this, whether you have to write or you have to discuss it personally, I mean face to face. Better it would you discuss it face to face. Okay, so these points you have to keep in mind. Discussing complex issues. If such complex issues, same thing I just discussed with you, if such complex issues are going in company, you need to think whether you need to email or not, or you have to discuss it face to face. Debating or negotiating. See, debating or negotiating you cannot do in this email part. Okay, if you are if you had a like debate with someone in the company or in the organization you are working, it's better you talk face to face instead of debating or negotiating in the emails. Talking about personal stuffs. While doing emails, you should never talk about personal stuffs. Okay, it's look very unprofessional. If you want to discuss something personal, you can just talk to that person face to face. Apologizing. Also apologizing, you cannot write in an email. Okay, if you want to apologize to someone, you can just talk to face. Okay, so these are the parts which we have to keep in mind, whether we have to write them in email or not. Okay,